Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to fuel car in a long road Roblox step by step. Walk your car to the pump or drive close enough to trigger the refill prompt, then press the interaction key to start filling. Watch the gauge and stop when it reaches full to avoid wasting fuel. Use nearby garages or fuel canisters if pumps are busy, and always plan refills before long straightaways. Spotting fuel early makes long road trips smooth and stress-free. Open the map or scan the horizon for gas station icons and neon lights that signal fuel availability. If the server is busy, ask players in chat for directions to the nearest pump. Keep an eye on the meter and divert slightly if it guarantees reaching a full tank without risking a push or respawn. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth changed how I think about saving for upgrades and in-game purchases, and it might help you manage your gaming budget with real clarity. Check the description for the link and other deals, and enjoy the read if you grab it. Now let's get back to the video. Refueling correctly prevents traffic jams and lost progress on the long road. Pull up cleanly to the pump and wait for the interaction prompt, then hold the button until the gauge reads full. Avoid bouncing or moving mid-fill to prevent desync issues. If stations are closed or glitched, use a fuel canister from inventory or buy a refill pack to continue your journey without respawning or abandoning your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.